Hi guys. So yeah, another person. I'm telling you, I don't know who keeps using my code, but y'all are making me get a lot of clothes. I can't believe it. Like wow. I'm so shocked. Another one. Like y'all love me. Thank you. I'm very grateful. Oh my gosh, I can't. So this collection is from Earth Day collection, so it's coming up I think the 20th, so in a few days. Oh my gosh. So obviously I got a white shirt, so I really needed a white shirt, so this came through. I really needed one. So ooh, it looks nice. Okay, it looks like it's gonna fit me. So this is a size medium, and it's very bouncy. It's very soft, very nice. It's great quality. See, this is stretchy and it's not really gonna rip whenever you put it on, or it's not gonna shrink, I don't think. I don't know, but and it's just a regular scoop neck. So, and look, it's kind of like red material. I don't know what the style is you see the texture. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, that it looks very nice and soft. Wow. Ooh, it smells good, like new. Yeah, I like sniffing shirts. It's like whenever you smell a new book, yeah, that's how it smells like new shoes. I just love that smell. Oh my God. It's addicting. I can't stop smelling it. Okay, I gotta choke. So yeah, and they had like a brown shirt and the white. I was gonna get the brown shirt, but I wasn't sure because I don't really wear brown. I was like, do I get it or not? But I was like, I need something green for Earth Day, but they didn't have it. It felt a green shirt, but they did have not the hair. Look, my hair always falls. Okay, so it got dirty. No, and white, I don't really wear white because I get everything dirty, and I'm gonna try my best not to get this dirty or wear it all the time, just in case. But I really needed a white shirt, so wow, I'm so happy. Because I needed it. Okay, so yeah, these are a pair of boy shorts. So they are underwear. They just look like shorts. I already have their boy shorts. I have them in blue and what other color? But those I actually did buy from them. But this, like, come on, how could I say no to this, right? The green. I just wish this was in a shirt, but they didn't have it, so. Wait. I thought it was gonna be like shorts. Oh, I think they are. They look more like briefs, underwear. I don't know. Maybe when I put it on, it's gonna look like shorts, but these look big for some reason, but these are in the size medium, so. Ooh, I kind of like that they're big. I can wear it like in the house maybe, or I don't know. Yeah, because look, it covers your butt. Ooh, okay. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to use it as shorts. No, maybe they're too tight, so yeah, I don't know. Because I don't live alone, you know. But if you live alone, then yeah, you can wear underwears to be at home, like, or no shirt at all. But I can't do that, you know. But anyways, I was thinking of using this with this, like that. Okay. Like, ooh. Okay. So yeah, that's basically it. I only got 2 pairs of things. Usually when it's gifted, it's just 2. So yeah, they have other cute things. I can't remember what they had. It was a while ago when I chose this, but they have different things, not just what I showed. They have regular underwear. I think they had bodysuits. I can't remember. What else? Yeah, they probably had leggings. I don't know. It depends on the collection. They have different pieces, but so yeah. This I just had to get. So for y'all, there's probably like, really, you got a white shirt, really, but I actually did need. I just love the color. I couldn't help myself. It's just so cute. I can't like. Ooh. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It does look like Earth Day theme. It does like, it matches. Okay, so it's kind of, no, it's not the same, but yeah, I do have a discount code. Y'all already know. Y'all probably are the ones that use it, but I'm still gonna share it in case. I'll put it here, and you can save money. And you can get a free, like, what's that called? Like a free bag or kit where you can recycle your old underwear, and it doesn't matter if it's used or it has holes, or just make sure it's clean and doesn't have, discharge or caca, or period, because you can actually recycle them, and then with those dirty old underwear that you don't use anymore, they can make new ones like these. So yeah, it's a pretty good sustainable brand. So if you're into recycling, or you just, I know you can donate used underwear, but you can recycle used underwear. It sounds gross, I know, because it's already used, but just make sure you wash them first, and then it's for free. You can just order it on their website. I don't think you even have to pay shipping. I can't remember, but yeah, since it's gonna be Earth Day, it's a good time to recycle. You should do it all year, right? But I just feel like sharing, just in case you want to recycle your old used underwear. So yeah, and I feel like if you recycle with them, I think they give you new clean underwear, I think, for free. Why not give free underwear? Just recycle from them. I think that's pretty much it for this month. But I think you can do it all year. I think, I'm not sure, because they didn't have that kit in January, I think, or February, and it's still on their website, but just keep that in mind. So if it's not there, I'm sorry, but I think it still is there. So yeah. What else? I think that's pretty much it. I just wanted to unbox this with you in case you want to buy something from their Earth Day collection. And yay, thank you so much. Bye.